Hi everyone. Last week I wanted to discuss with you about this topic. Can you make money from watching videos on Swagbucks? But I encountered a few hiccups. And after further research, I discovered something that I feel you should know. So continue watching to find out what it is. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updates whenever I upload a new video. See, the reason I wanted to do that video was because I saw so many YouTube videos talking about watching videos on Swagbucks and making money doing that. Not a lot of money, but some side hustle, enough to be pocket money for you to buy pizza or pay for one or two of your bills. So I headed on to the Swagbucks website and I signed in. And as you can see, it is quite exciting. There are claims that you will be able to get free gift cards and cash. And this is for everyday things you do online, like watching videos, and they are legit. As you can see, they claim that they have paid over 580 million members already. And that's why there were so many good reviews of Swagbucks. On their homepage, I can see many options, many ways to make money online. There's Answer, where you can answer polls and get Swagbucks points. You can also shop, take surveys, take up offers, play games, and many more ways of making money. And after you complete each of these tasks, you can earn what is called Swagbuck points, SB points for short. And you can convert these points to gift cards or convert to cash and be paid via PayPal. But, and that is a big but, there was no watch option on my homepage. The watch option is where you can earn money by simply watching videos. I searched and searched the entire site, but there was no such option. So what happened? Why am I unable to watch videos on Swagbucks and make money? I wrote to the Swagbucks support and they were of no help. All I got was standard text answers with links that are also of no help. I did some research and I read on Reddit and Quora that sometimes the watch option is not available. One of the reasons could be the country I'm from. I'm from Singapore. And if there are no advertisers that want people from Singapore to watch their video ads, then they're not going to show it. Another reason is that there are currently no videos available in this region. If it is a second reason, then I have to wait and see. But the problem is there's no notification to inform me when there are videos to watch. So I have to constantly log in and check. Yeah. And also, when there are any videos, from what I've seen, there of other reports, there may be only a few videos. So, you may earn very little. Even then, there can still be other ways to make money on Swagbucks. Like I mentioned above, there are polls, surveys, shopping, playing games, etc. You can do all these to earn Swagbucks. Again, not very much money to earn here. I have seen others saying that one SB point, that is one Swagbuck point, is only 1 cent. That's very little money for a lot of effort. And here's something even more shocking. My account does not allow Swagbucks to be converted into cash. I have read many articles and seen many other YouTube channels where they claim they are able to convert their Swagbucks into cash. So why not my account? Again, I tried to submit a support ticket, but it was not very useful. And after all the hassle, not user-friendly at all. So the only reason I believe is that I'm from Singapore and this is not one of the countries they support that they provide this service. See, when I tried to select a country for my support ticket, Singapore is nowhere to be found. No watch video option, no converting SB points to cash. Wow. Okay, the no watch video option is not that bad a problem, right? I can always do the other tasks and earn SB points. But after earning, I would like to convert it to cash and be paid via PayPal, which apparently a lot of other people say is possible. So the only reason I can guess is that they do not offer this option to some countries, and Singapore is one of them. So if you joined Swagbucks and like me, you like to convert SB points to cash, please check if this option is available for you before you spend any more time on this. And again, it is only one SB point for 1 cent. That is not a lot of money to earn for your time. For me, I prefer to earn more, and I prefer earning with passive income. And one of the ways that I enjoy doing it is with affiliate marketing. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, click on the card above to find out more. Or you can go to the description below, right, where I will leave a link for you to get free training on how to do affiliate marketing. I wish you wealth and success.